Tired of reinventing the marketing wheel? Let's unlock a faster, more collaborative way to dominate your local real estate market. Today, we're diving into how to share pre-built marketing campaigns within Kvcore, so your entire team can leverage proven strategies with just a few clicks. First, log into your Kvcore platform and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Once there, click on Marketing Autopilot to access your existing campaigns. Select the campaign you want to share. This could be a listing promotion, a follow-up sequence, or any other campaign you have running. To the right of the campaign name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Share from the drop-down now. You'll be presented with sharing options. You can choose to share with specific users by typing their name or email, or share with your entire company, which is perfect for rolling out consistent marketing initiatives. Once you've selected your recipients, confirm the sharing settings and click Share. Your selected users will now find this campaign in their Marketing Autopilot section under Shared Campaigns. This empowers them to quickly customize the campaign with their own branding and deploy it to their leads. Sharing campaigns in Kvcore promotes consistent branding, saves time, and improves overall marketing performance across your entire organization. Now go out there and start collaborating like never before.